Hey guys, what is up? I'm Katie, aka Fancy Flutie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are on day 9 out of 12 days of Christmas. We're really getting to the end here, and for some reason I decided to do a really spooky one for today. So if you want to see a sort of Santa Grim Reaper style thing, then keep watching. But before we get into that, you guys know there's a giveaway at the end of this video, so you need to know what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. And today's is a really fun one. It is Rick and Morty again. It says, I turned myself into a sweater, which I think is a play on the episode where he turned himself into a pickle. Yeah, super fun. So Rick and Morty sweater, green and pink. You guys can type whatever you want down below for the giveaway. And before we get into the video, please just give this video a like. Please hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. You're not going to want to miss any of the giveaways coming up. And let's just get into this Grim Reaper person thing. Alright, I gotta glue those eyebrows down. Just slick that on there and brush them up. So this is basically just a really detailed skull look with some props. So the way I do my skulls is I start mapping everything out first. I draw the teeth, map out the cheekbones, and then I fill everything in with white. Then I started doing the ribs. I just wanted to have all the white down so that we could just shade everything all at once. And I do just use a reference photo of a rib cage for this. So now I'm taking a mid-tone red from a Morphe palette and just starting to lay down the mid-tones of the skull. It does help if you look at like a picture of a real skull. So now I'm taking a darker red and we're just going to start darkening everything. And then once we have that down, we're taking a black face paint. We're outlining the teeth. We're adding small little details and cracks and things. We gotta fill in those gaps. So I usually leave the eyes till last, and then now I'm just outlining all the ribs, which takes forever. Alright, so I filled in the eyes with black face paint, and now I'm just putting a black shadow on top of everything to kind of take away the shininess. And there you guys go. I put on the robe. I made this scythe out of a broomstick and then a piece of cardboard. So yeah, I like making props out of like random things. So I really hope you guys like this one. If you did like it and you want to see the picture of it, go check out my Instagram. I have all the 12 days of Christmas pictures up so far. And go check out my TikTok. I have some fun videos on there as well. And I'm sure you guys want to see what today's giveaway is. So let me show you. Okay, so today's giveaway is a whole collection of lipsticks from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Last High Shine lipsticks. So we have all of these colors. Super fun. I'll probably not send it in this big thing. I'll probably just package all these really cute for you guys. So yeah. If you want to enter the giveaway, it's super easy, so just subscribe to me here on YouTube, like today's video, and then comment down below what the secret Christmas sweater of the day is. Then hop on over to my Instagram, follow me there, like today's post of the Grim Reaper, and then tag 2 friends in the comments on that post. So the contest closes tomorrow, Saturday at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. So I will be announcing the winner on Sunday, as well as having a new video out and another giveaway for day 10. So just make sure you guys follow all the rules, and good luck on the giveaway, and I will see you guys on Sunday with a new video. Bye.